Let's do an exercise. At the time you go out from your home, it doesn't matter where you go. How many people do you see wearing glasses? How many people do you know that suffers from visual disorders? I personally know a lot. Most of my friends have visual disorders or they are turning to have them. And the same things happens with my family members. They also have visual disorders. And when you are constantly surrounded by this environment, you normalize it. That is why it's good to bear in mind that loss of vision has a huge impact on a person's life, but many of these diseases are currently difficult or impossible to treat. As a consequence, many researchers are investigating deeply about stem cells. They have the unique characteristic of self-dividing that makes them different from any other type of cells. They are unspecialized cells that renew themselves through cell division for long periods, and under experimental conditions, they can be induced to become a cell with a specific function, such as a brain cell, a blood cell. There's a wide range of possible functions, being these cells a highly revolutionary discovery and a path to treat loss of vision. At the moment, a therapy known as Holocar, which is focused on repairing the cornea, is the only stem cell treatment available stem cell treatment in the eye that has been proven by clinical trials, becoming a highly important advance in terms of regenerative medicine. But how do stem cells repair the cornea? Cells that make up the cornea are constantly damaged by blinking and exposure to the outside world. So to repair this repetitive damage, we have a small number of stem cells that are responsible for making new corneal cells. These cells are known as limbal stem cells. But if these stem cells are affected by a disease or an injury, the cornea can no longer be repaired, developing a significant loss of vision. At the moment, scientists have developed a technique whereby limbal stem cells are collected from a healthy donor eye, um, which is expanded in the laboratory and transplanted into the damaged eye. A wide range of researchers have shown that transplantation of limbal stem cells can definitely repair or even restore the vision. Can you imagine to have the opportunity to opt for repetitive medicine? Stem cells used in medical therapies are of great importance in terms of finding a cure for diseases that are almost impossible to treat. And the advances of eye therapies are a new opportunity for people who suffer from visual disorders to get back their normal lives without dealing with these life-threatening diseases. The eye is a complex organ composed by biological components that are extremely difficult to replace, and having the chance to use stem cells technology as a biological component is a key to find and keep investigating about possible treatments for eye diseases to improve people's life. If you take a look at the big picture, our vision will be getting worse during the years. So as a consequence, now or then we will need stem cells as a cure for visual disorders.